Kiddolodian.
Medium level. Flamingo. Flamingo nests are made of mud. Flamingos are famous for their bright pink feathers, stilt-like legs, and S-shaped neck. Flamingos get their pink color from their food. Macaw. Macaws are one of the world's most colorful birds. Scarlet macaws are the most intelligent bird species in the world and can mimic words and sounds and learn tricks in captivity. Hornbill. Hornbills are the best friends of monkeys, as they eat up the insects, which annoy the monkeys. In return, the hornbills get warning calls from the monkeys if they see any humans. Woodpecker. They have super long tongues. They're made to cling to trees. Woodpeckers are perfectionists. They like to make music. Woodpeckers also love nuts. Falcon. Falcons are fast. Humans have used falcons for hunting for thousands of years. They can see better than you. Falcons nearly went extinct in North America. Kingfisher. Kingfishers eat mainly fish, chiefly minnows and sticklebacks, but they also take aquatic insects, freshwater shrimps and tadpoles. Belted kingfishers have 2 fused toes. Geese. Geese are excellent flyers and navigators. They are protective parents. They have excellent memory and do not forget people or situations they've experienced. Chicken. Chickens are living descendants of dinosaurs. Chickens aren't completely flightless. Chickens have better color vision than humans. Parrot. Parrots can live over 100 years. Parrots are capable of mimicking human speech. Parrots are the only birds that can eat with their feet. Crow. Crows are super smart and can remember faces. Crows have a reputation as thieves and even pranksters. Crows are recognized by their loud voices also.